Feeling sluggish? It might be time to give your kidneys a refreshing cleanse. Imagine your kidneys as overworked office workers. It's high time they get a spa day. Whether it's post-holiday indulgence or just the daily grind, our kidneys often work overtime, filtering out all those pesky toxins. Let's show them some love, shall we? Our kidneys are unsung heroes of our body, tirelessly working to keep us healthy. So, how do we give these little champions the TLC they deserve? Think of your kidneys as the body's natural Brita filters. They cleanse our blood, balance electrolytes, and keep our blood pressure in check. But like any good filter, they can get clogged over time with toxins. This buildup can lead to kidney stones, infections, and other not-so-fun issues. Detox drinks to the rescue. These natural elixirs can help flush out the nasties and keep your kidneys functioning like a dream. Today, we're diving into the top 7 drinks that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys fast. From zesty lemon water to other surprising yet delicious options, these beverages will give your kidneys the VIP treatment they deserve. Stick around till the end for some bonus tips on maintaining stellar kidney health. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Drink number 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is like a superhero in a glass. It's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, giving your immune system a boost while helping your body detox. More importantly, it raises citrate levels in your urine, which helps prevent kidney stones. It's like giving your kidneys a pair of super slick anti-stick shoes to keep stones from forming. Making lemon water is as easy as pie, lemon pie that is. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water. If you're feeling fancy, toss in a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves. Stir, sip, and feel virtuous. For best results, drink your lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This early morning ritual jumpstarts your metabolism, hydrates your body, and gives your kidneys a gentle wake-up call. Plus, it sets a healthy tone for the rest of your day. So grab that lemon and start squeezing. Your kidneys will thank you, and you might just find yourself feeling a whole lot brighter. Stay tuned as we explore more drinks to keep those kidneys in top-notch condition. Drink number 2, cranberry juice. Think of cranberry juice as the bodyguard for your urinary tract. It's well known for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, thanks to its unique compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder walls. But that's not all. Cranberries also contain phytonutrients that help prevent the formation of kidney stones, giving your kidneys some much-needed protection against these painful invaders. When selecting cranberry juice, don't be swayed by the sugary imposters lurking on grocery store shelves. You want to go for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Sure, it might make your lips pucker, but your kidneys will be doing a happy dance. The added sugars in sweetened versions can counteract the benefits, so keep it real and keep it pure. For optimal kidney-loving benefits, aim for 1 glass of pure cranberry juice daily. If the tartness is too much, you can dilute it with a bit of water. This simple addition to your routine can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy urinary tract and keeping kidney stones at bay. Drink number 3, dandelion tea. Dandelion tea might not sound glamorous, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. Acting as a natural diuretic, it increases urine output, which helps flush out toxins from the kidneys. Think of it as nature's gentle detoxifier, promoting kidney function and overall wellness. Preparing dandelion tea is straightforward. You can use dried dandelion roots or leaves. Simply steep about a tablespoon of dried dandelion in a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy this earthy, slightly bitter tea. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding a drizzle of honey or a splash of lemon juice. To reap the full benefits, drink 1 to 2 cups of dandelion tea per day. Incorporate it into your daily routine, perhaps as a calming beverage in the evening or a revitalizing drink in the morning. Over time, you'll likely notice its gentle yet effective cleansing effects on your kidneys. So, there you have it. 2 more drinks to add to your kidney health arsenal. Whether you're sipping on tart cranberry juice or enjoying a warm cup of dandelion tea, your kidneys will thank you for the extra TLC. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more drinks that help detox and cleanse your kidneys fast. Drink number 4, ginger tea. Ginger tea isn't just a deliciously warming beverage. It's a superstar for reducing inflammation and improving digestion. By easing digestive processes, ginger helps your body more efficiently filter out waste, indirectly supporting kidney detoxification. Think of it as a multitasking dynamo that soothes your stomach while giving your kidneys a gentle boost. Preparing ginger tea is as easy as pie, but much healthier. Simply take a few fresh ginger slices and boil them in water for about 10 minutes. The longer you boil, the stronger the ginger flavor. Strain the tea, and voila! You've got yourself a potent, fragrant cup of ginger goodness. For an extra zing, add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of honey. Ginger tea is versatile, making it an excellent choice for various times of the day. It's particularly beneficial in the morning to kickstart your digestive system or after meals to aid digestion. Plus, its warming nature can be a comforting way to wind down in the evening. Whether you drink it hot or chilled, your kidneys will relish the anti-inflammatory boost. Drink number 5. Beet juice. Beet juice is like a crimson elixir for your kidneys. Packed with antioxidants and a unique compound called betaine, it enhances the kidney's ability to filter out toxins. Beet juice not only supports kidney function, but also helps lower blood pressure and improve blood flow, making it a comprehensive health tonic. Making beet juice is straightforward but a bit messy. Beets tend to stain. Start by washing and peeling fresh beets, then blend them with water until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove the pulp, and you've got yourself a vibrant, nutrient-rich juice. For added flavor and benefits, consider blending in some carrots, apples, or a squeeze of lemon juice. Due to its potent cleansing effects, it's wise to start with small amounts of beet juice, like a quarter to half a cup. Your body needs time to adjust to its powerful detoxifying properties. Over time, you can gradually increase your intake. Beet juice can be quite strong, so mixing it with other juices or diluting it with water can help make it more palatable and easier on your stomach. So there you go. With the spicy zest of ginger tea and the vibrant power of beet juice, your kidneys are in for a treat. Keep sipping these healthful drinks to give your kidneys the support they deserve, and stay tuned for more amazing detox drinks in our next segment. Drink number 6. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is like a spa day for your kidneys. With its high water content, it's excellent for keeping you hydrated, which is crucial for kidney health. Hydration helps your kidneys flush out toxins more efficiently. Additionally, watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, encouraging increased urine production and thereby aiding in the elimination of waste products. Plus, it's packed with vitamins A, B6, and C, antioxidants, and amino acids, all of which contribute to overall wellness. Making watermelon juice is a breeze. Simply take fresh watermelon chunks, ensuring they're seedless for a smoother drink, and blend them until smooth. There's no need to add water since watermelon is already packed with it. You can strain the juice if you prefer a smoother consistency, but it's not necessary. For an extra burst of flavor, consider adding a few mint leaves or a squeeze of lime. Watermelon juice is perfect for hot summer days when you need a refreshing and hydrating beverage. It's also a great post-workout drink to replenish fluids and nutrients. Sip on it anytime you need a delicious, hydrating cleanse that's both tasty and beneficial for your kidneys. Drink number 7. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. It helps dissolve kidney stones and prevents their formation. The acetic acid in ACV helps to balance pH levels in the body, creating an environment that supports kidney function and detoxification. Additionally, ACV is known for its antibacterial properties and its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Creating an ACV drink is straightforward. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. For added taste and health benefits, you can add a teaspoon of honey and a dash of cinnamon. Stir well and enjoy. Remember, ACV is potent, so diluting it is essential to avoid potential irritation to your throat and teeth. For the best results, it's recommended to drink this ACV concoction before meals. This not only aids in digestion, but also helps in detoxifying your system more effectively. Start with 1 glass a day and gradually increase if you feel comfortable. Always use raw, unfiltered ACV to get the most benefits, and shake the bottle well before pouring as the beneficial mother settles at the bottom. With the hydrating goodness of watermelon juice and the detoxifying power of apple cider vinegar, your kidneys are in good hands. Keep these drinks in your regular rotation to maintain optimal kidney health, and stay tuned for more tips on keeping your body in peak condition. Conclusion. In conclusion, maintaining kidney health is vital for overall well-being. We've explored 7 fantastic drinks: lemon water, cranberry juice, dandelion tea, ginger tea, beet juice, watermelon juice, and apple cider vinegar drink that can help detoxify and cleanse your kidneys. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine can support your kidneys' natural functions and enhance your body's ability to eliminate toxins. Remember, while these drinks are beneficial, they should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, make informed choices, and always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Cheers to your kidney health.